Now, what's P? Alright. I took out a PPP loan for this. Okay? I'm pushing P. You feel me?
That ain't P, I'm pushing P right now. I can't do it if it ain't P. We pushing P on that. We don't P shit, we pushing P.
People, place, product, promo, and price. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I hope you guys having an awesome week. Just wanted to talk about the 5 P's we push here at Virtual Reality Factory, and that's people, place, promo, product, and price. When it comes to people, we thinking about our target audience. We thinking about our ideal customer, a reoccurring customer. We thinking about their mindset, their personality. You know, we want to tailor our brand around the specific person. One of the largest companies in the world, Disney, just announced that for the month of March, they'll be changing out Minnie Mouse's iconic polka dot dress for a 2-piece business suit. A lot of people might say, why is that even important? You know, others might say, why are they changing it up for? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. These same people need to put respect on Disney's name and understand that this is a $200 billion company. They spend millions of dollars per year on different strategies and analytics. They understand that the month of March is Women Empowerment Month. With a new age of women in America, there's been a change when it comes to the education and career field. Women are beginning to dominate and succeed in many areas, so Disney understands that they must keep up with the times. Keeping a character like Minnie Mouse relevant in the news means keeping the Disney brand relevant. At VRF, we use similar tactics to consult and identify your target audience through intensive market research. The next P we focus here at Virtual Reality Factory is place. We use keywords and analytic tools to make sure your ideal customer is always matched up with the ideal place. Location. So we put your brand in the right areas online to guarantee your customer is always coming back. Think about it. You wouldn't set up a barbecue restaurant in a vegan community. It's kind of like the same concept. You want to put you in the right location. Location. Our third P is product. Whether it's a skill, product, or service you provide, we want to make sure that it's solving an existing problem or improving an existing concept. Think of the invention of the wheel, for example. One day, someone was tired of dragging a whole bunch of heavy items, and they was like, hey, I'm gonna do something about it. So they went ahead of thinking different ideas to solve this problem until the day they was chiseling away at a rock, and it was like, I got something. Then boom, your creation of your first wheel. Now think of everyone who tried to improve this concept since then. They probably made a whole bunch of different variations to it, making it skinny, making it wide. You know, some people probably even made it out of different materials like wood or different metals. Until someone one day was like, hey, I need some grip on these wheels. And boom, your invention of the tires. Now think about how the wheels have impacted culture throughout time and how we now use it on items like Teslas, you know, computer chairs, bikes. Every brand and product is special in its own way. Our marketers here at Virtual Reality Factory help you find what that is so you can solve your problems of your customers. Which leads into our 4th P, which is promotion. You know, we use certain tactics here at Virtual Reality Factory. I can't let you guys in all the sauce, but when it comes to your audience or your ideal customer, you want to make sure that you're targeting their emotion. Why? Because with emotions, you could convince anybody to do anything, really. Think about the slogan like, diamonds are a girl's best friend. When you work with our team of experts here at VRF, we will promote and help you understand thousands of different tactics, like the monkey see, monkey do tactic, the color scheme tactic, which involves using different colors to bring out different emotions out of your clients. The insecurity tactic, One cheat code that's been used throughout the years is creating products that cater to people's insecurity, you know, like weight problem, dry skin, bad odor, bad credit. When promoting, we want to make sure that we're targeting the customer's emotion. People love to hear a before and after story or even see customer reviews. With promotion comes awareness, and once you build enough awareness, you will have a stronger foundation. Our last P that we push here at Virtual Reality Factory is price. You know, we find your perceived value for whatever you're pushing, whether it's a service, a skill, or a product. We make sure that you're not too high to where your customer is going broke. And we consult you to put in your price to where it's not too low, to where people associate your brand with being cheap. Send us a direct message to take advantage of our lovers and friend discount for the month of February. You'll be glad you did.